Today we have Mrs. Ujjwala Mate with us. She has done her bachelor's as well as master's in electrical engineering from COEP Pune, College of Engineering. She is currently working as a professor in the electrical department of College of Engineering Pune. She is also working on her PhD. Hello ma'am. My first question to you would be, what is electrical engineering? Could you give us a brief introduction about it?
Electrical engineering is all the lights, all the fans, everything works on electrical engineering. So to start with, you can say that everything wired around is nothing but electrical engineering. And then one can have the electrical engineering subject, like suppose there is a mixer in your house. It works on some motor is there inside. Similarly, there is some pump by which you are taking the water. So that also works on some electrical motor. So all this day-to-day life, all the apparatus in your house, they are working on basically electrical engineering.
After 10th or 12th standard, what are the different courses that you enter into so as to pursue electrical engineering?
After your 10th, you can join Polytechnic to get diploma in electrical engineering. So it is a course of 3 years. So after your 10th, you can go in Polytechnic and you will pass at your 3rd year. Then after your 12th, you can have a 4-year degree course. So that 4-year degree course is available at College of Engineering Pune or many other colleges, like private, aided, unaided, all sorts of colleges. It is available.
While you are pursuing your degree or diploma, what other activities should one take up as to increase their practical knowledge?
For all this, getting into a good college is very important for all this purpose, because when you get admission into a good college, so that time you are exposed to a broader avenues. That means your professors are also very good, or if you are exposed to various softwares in the core like MATLAB or LabVIEW, then you will be having the opportunity to interact with better students. So that all that matters. Actually, then what you should do to get the practical knowledge is you should get involved in all the competitive sort of club activities or some competitions like Robocon. So all this will increase your teamwork, then the interaction, then the technical know-how, the practical applications of the knowledge which you are gaining out of the course. So all this will increase and it definitely will enhance your total knowledge as well as your personality. And then when you face the interview, what matters is not only the technical matter but your personality also, your soft skills, then your confidence level, your ability to work in a team, then your ability to get into all new things, learn new things. So all this matters.
So after passing out, what are the different opportunities for career development?
After you pass your diploma, then there are supervisory jobs. So one can go on a shop floor and then there may be some workers on which you have to supervise. So that sort of, or maintenance jobs are there. So that sort of jobs opportunities are there after the diploma. Then after the degree you have much wider scope and you can enter into the design, you can enter into research and development, you can have marketing jobs, you can have supervisor level but some higher level, those sort of job also. So you can start your own company like electrical contractor or wiring, or there are nowadays huge companies which are taking contracts of electrical wiring of a industry. So in that company also you can join, or you can start your own some microprocessor development consultation or some automation based like PLC based some consultation. So you can have your own also industry like small entrepreneurship, or you can work in industry also. So both opportunities are available.
Other than the job opportunities, if a student wants to obtain higher education, what are the opportunities available in that?
So when you pass out diploma, then you can go for higher education of degree. So normally after diploma you will get admission in 2nd year. After passing out your degree, then you can get the admission at MTech level or ME level. So for getting the admission at IIT MTech, you have to pass the GATE examination. And then uh, for the local colleges, there may be through GATE or there may be their own entrance examinations. Then after you clear your MTech or ME, then you can do PhD also. For PhD also there is a wide scope in IITs or NITs or in good engineering colleges like COEP or PVG, which are centers, recognized centers for PhDs. Then after your BTech you can also go into US or nowadays in Australia and UK also there are a lot of chances for your post graduation. You can complete MS in foreign countries also. Like Germany is taking a lot of lead in this particular aspect now. Typically for getting admission into foreign universities you have to clear GRE and TOEFL examination and get a good score. So depending on your score level you will get the admission in the reputed universities, ranking in the universities, accordingly you will get the admission.
Can an electrical engineer work in the IT field?
Any engineer basically can work in IT field. Normally what is required in IT field is your logical mind, the thinking and reasoning ability. So normally when you go through the engineering course, your those reasoning abilities get developed. So normally IT industry people, they prefer engineering people. Actually after passing out 50 to 60% of the engineering graduates, they enter into IT industries. So in IT there is a lot of scope, but it is advisable to go into the core. You can go into IT, but it is better to go into the core. That is my suggestion.
So on a concluding note, I would like to ask you, what would you advise our students?
As a conclusion, I will say that when you enter into the engineering field, which is the applied field basically, so you have to update yourself. So you can't say that now my graduation is over, so now I don't want to learn anything. So that attitude you can't keep. You have to, if you want to excel, then you have to update, because the technology is changing at a lot of high speed, high speed. So you have to be keep yourself in that pace. And then if you want to keep yourself updated, then what you want is really a calm and quiet mind, because with that only you will be able to grasp all these new things which are upcoming. Because even if you are at 50 age, uh, at that time also you have to grasp many things, then you have to keep the retention power, and then you have to recall it. So all aspects of memory are coming there. So you have to keep minimum stress or stress free. So for that you should practice some meditation. So right from this age actually you should have some uh, exercise. You should keep the running, walking, something. Then and then after that meditation. So all this will keep you stress free. That is very important, and then that will definitely help you to excel in your field and then get success.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I'm sure all our students will benefit from this.